today we will be making this crochet bag tutorial, which is complete beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner, this is just using one stitch, which is the triple or the treble crochet stitch. To make the bag you will need all of these items. So the first is a peach color Aran weight yarn, this is weight 4 and this is from Paint Box. Then you will need a 5mm crochet hook, if you can see, some stitch markers. I've also got some pearl handles. You can use whatever handles. I'm also going to be sewing in some pearl beads. So yeah, let's begin the tutorial. Let's begin the pattern. To begin the pattern, we will do a slip knot and then we will make 12 chains. So just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll continue do 12 chains and then I'll come back and show you. So I've made 12 chains. So now I'm going to be doing triple crochet in the second chain from the hook. So you're just going to go ahead and then do triple crochets. So that's 1. So that's triple crochet in each of the chains till you reach end of the row. So I've done almost to the end of the row. I've just got the last chain remaining. So I'm just going to be doing 4 triple crochets in the last chain. So that's going to be 1, 2, then there's 3, and the last one. So I've done around 4 triple crochets in the last stitch. So since we're making a bag, we will be working in the round. So now what we will be doing is we will be doing 1 triple crochet in each of the next stitches. So you carry on doing triple crochet. So now you're going to the next chain, and this way you will continue doing it. So yeah, just carry on and come till the end of this corner. So I have reached almost at the end of the row. I forgot to mention I've also added like a stitch marker just to know where I started this around the round. So I'm just going to in the last stitch go and do again 4 triple crochet. So that's 1, and there's 2, then there's 3, and then there's 4. So I've done 4 triple crochet in the corner as well. Now I'm just going to join and continue doing 1 triple crochet. So that's 1, and I'll continue. So this way we are starting the second round. So all we would do is we will carry on working in the round now and do just 1 stitch in the entire round. So I'm just going to do another round and come back and show you. So I've almost reached the end of the second row as well. So basically this is the correct size. I will keep doing this till around 7 rows and come back and then show you. So here's the triple crochets. So I'll just carry on with you guys. This is row 3. So just going to do triple crochet. If you need me to show how to do triple crochet slowly, I'll show you now. So you yarn over twice and then you insert in the stitch, then you yarn over again, pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, so you yarn over and pull through the first 2, then you yarn over and pull through the second 2, and then you yarn over and pull through the last 2. So that's your triple crochet. So you continue doing this till you reach the end of the row. So you'll just work in the round. It's a very simple, very simple pattern. Sorry guys, I'll show you again. It's a very simple pattern. So I've almost reached the end of the row. I'm now just going to row 4, completing the stitch here, and then I'm gonna go to another row. So yeah, you'll keep doing this till we reach row 6, and I'll come back and I'll show you how I do the rest of the bag. And this is the correct side and this is the wrong side. So I've done around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows in total. You can see from here. What I'm going to be doing, it's a very simple bag. I will be blocking it and it will much squarer. So I'm going to also be adding these handles here, and I'm also going to be sewing in some of these pearls. Let me sew the pearls first and then come back and show you how I do the handles. So guys, I have now sewed in the pearls. I quite like it. I'm just going to also add the handles here. So I'm not going to make any extra loop or anything. I'm just going to add, like, just go here and then just slot it in. And then go at the bottom and then put one here as well. If you want, you can also add like a lining, but this should be good. So here you guys, it's a very simple, if you see, it's a very simple and easy to make a quick bag. You can make it for your friends or for yourself. I'll also block it so it'll retain the shape a little better. But yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you so much.